Hello students, hi everyone. Once again welcome to my channel Competitive Maths by Biology. Yes, today we are going to look part 6 of profit and loss and the question number is 38. Yes, question number 38. If SP becomes 5 times, the profit increases by 700%. Find the initial profit. అమ్మిన ధర 5 రెట్లు అయినా లాభం 700% పెరుగుతుంది. తొలుత వచ్చిన లాభ శాతం ఎంత? ఓకే. Solution. Let initial SP be 1 unit. This is our assumption. When it becomes 5 times, then it is equal to 5 units. 5 times of 1 is 5 units. That means there is a 4 units increase. There is a 4 units increase in SP. Then what is profit? Profit increases 700%. Profit increases 700%. What is 700% value? That is 7 units. Since 100% means 1 unit, 700% means 7 units. That is 4 times of SP is equal to 7 times of profit are equal. That is SP is 7 units, then profit is 4 units. In this case, consider CP is SP. SP is 7 units, profit is 4 units, then CP is 3 units as well as SP is 7 units. There is a 4 units profit over 3 units. That is 4 times of 1 by 3 means 33.33%. That is which is equal 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13, 1 carry, again 13, 12 plus 1 13. Approximately 133.33%. So answer is B. Okay. So actual profit percentage is 133.33%. Okay. Next question, 39th one. If SP becomes half, the loss becomes 3 times. Then find loss percentage. అమ్మిన ధర సగమైనప్పుడు నష్టం 3 రెట్లు అవుతుంది. అయినా అసలు నష్ట శాతం ఎంత కనుక్కోవాలి. సో 4 ఆప్షన్స్ ఆర్ గివెన్ హియర్. 20%, 12.5%, 15%, 25%. Let us see the solution. Okay. Yes. Consider SP and loss. Here loss becomes 3 times. So let initial loss be 1 unit. Initial loss be 1 unit. Then it becomes 3 times. That is 3 units. There is a 2 units increase in loss. Okay. Now, then SP becomes half. SP becomes half times. That is half of SP is equal to 2 times of loss. That is 1 time of SP equal to 2 2s are 4 times of loss. When SP is 4 units, loss is equal to 1 unit. In this case, consider CP is SP. So SP is 4 units, loss is 1 unit. Then CP must be SP plus loss 1 plus 4, that is 5 units, and SP is 4 units. Clearly, there is a 1 unit loss over 5. So loss is 20%. As 1 by 5 fraction value is equal to 20%. So answer is A. Loss is 20%. Next question. Question number 40. On a certain item, profit is 120%. If the cost price increases by 10%, then what will be the new profit margin in percentage if selling price remains the same? Yes, selling price remains the same. ఒక వస్తువుపై లాభం 120%. అమ్మకపు ధరను మార్చకుండా కొనుగోలు ధరను 10% పెంచడం వలన వచ్చు లాభ శాతం ఎంత? సొల్యూషన్. CP SP. Okay. Let us suppose CP is 100 rupees. Then there is a profit 120. So SP becomes 220. Now CP increases by 10%. 10% of 100. 10% of 100, which is equal to 10. So it becomes 110. SP remains the same. SP remains the same. So in this case also SP is 220. Then what is the new profit margin? So see here, SP becomes twice the CP. 2 times of CP is SP 220. So there is a profit 100%. Profit is 100%. As SP becomes twice the CP, SP becomes twice the CP. Therefore profit is 100%. Or otherwise, there is a profit of 110 rupees over 110 rupees. That is 1 unit. 1 unit means 100%. So profit is 100. Okay. Next question 41. Important model and new model questions. A manufacturer fixes his SP at 33% over the cost of production. That means over the cost price. If cost of production goes up 12% and manufacturer raises his selling price by 10%, find his percentage profit is. ఒక తయారీదారుడు తన అమ్మిన ధరను ఉత్పత్తి వ్యయం కంటే 33% అధికంగా ఉంచెను. ఉత్పత్తి వ్యయం దట్ ఈస్ కొన్న వేల అన్నమాట. ఉత్పత్తి వ్యయం 12% పెరిగితే తయారీదారుడు తన అమ్మకపు ధరను 10% పెంచును. ఉత్పత్తి వ్యయం అనగా తన యొక్క కొన్న వేల 12% పెరగడం వలన అమ్మకపు ధరను కూడా 10% పెంచును. అయినా ఎంత శాతం లాభం వచ్చును? మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్. సొల్యూషన్. CP and SP. Let cost of production or cost price be 100 rupees. Then a manufacturer fixes his SP at 33% over the cost of production. That is, SP is 33 more than the 100. That is 133. Yes. When cost of production goes up by 12%, that is, cost price increases by 12%. 12% of 100 is equal to 12 rupees. Then cost price or cost of production becomes 112. And there is a increase. The manufacturer raises his selling price by 10%. 10% increase. Yes, let it be 1 unit. 10% means 0.1 unit is increased. Finally, SP becomes 133 times of 1.1 or 1.1 times of 133. That is scaling factor. Okay, let it be 1 unit. Then there is a increment of 0.1 unit. So finally it becomes 1.1 times of SP 133. So consider their ratio. Yes, 7 ones are 7, remainder 4, 7 6 are 42, 7 19s are 133, 11 can be written as 11 by 10. That is the ratio. So transform 10 here, 160 east, 19 11s are 209. So CP is TSP. There is a profit of 49 over 160, but we have to convert it into percentage. So multiplied by 100%. 0 0 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10, 49 into 5, 245. 245 by 8%. Denominator is always 8, but two options having denominator 8, so divide it. 8 3s are 24, 5 is remainder, so put a 0. 30 whole 5 by 8% is profit. 30 whole 5 by 8 is percent is profit. Okay. Next question, 42nd. A man sells his goods at certain price, comma, 20% of which is his profit, that is 20% of selling price is his profit. If the price at which he buys the goods increases by 10% and he sells them at an 8% higher, then what will be the his profit percent? Okay. ఒక వ్యక్తి తన వస్తువులను కొంత ధరకు అమ్మడం ద్వారా అమ్మిన వెలలో 20% లాభం పొందుతాడు. ఇక్కడ లాభాన్ని అమ్మిన వెలలో ఇచ్చాడు, ఇది గమనించాలి. ఆ వస్తువులో ఉత్పత్తి వ్యయం 10% పెరిగితే, వాట్ ఈజ్ ఉత్పత్తి వ్యయం అనగా కొన్న వెల పెరిగితే ఆ వ్యక్తి తన అమ్మకపు ధరను 8% పెంచును. అయినా అతనికి లభించు లాభ శాతంను 1 స్థానాన్ని సవరించి చెప్పండి. ఓకే, సో we have to find the answer approx. Yes, solution. Consider CP SP. Since 20% of profit is on selling price is given, let selling price be 100 rupees, in which there is a profit of 20 on selling price. So cost price is 80 rupees. Selling price minus profit equal cost price. Now, if the price at which he buys the goods increases by 10%, cost price increases by 10%. 10% of 80 is 8 rupees. Therefore, CP becomes 88 rupees. Okay. And he sells them at an 8% higher. There is an increase in SP also, that is 8%. 8% of 100 is equal to 8 rupees. So selling price becomes 108 rupees. Okay. Then what will be the his profit percentage? Consider the ratio 422s, 427s. 22 is to 27. So there is a profit 5 units over 22 CP, which is equal to, you have to tell it into percentage, 5 by 22 into 100%. 2 11s, 2 50s. 5 50s are 250 by 11%. That equals 250 by 11. 11 2s are 22. Okay. 3 remainder, 3 0 30. Again 11 2s are 22. 8 remainder, put a decimal point, so it becomes 80. 11 7s are 77. But we have to tell answer is approximate to 1 decimal place. So answer is 22.7%. Okay. Next question, 43. For an article, the profit is to 20% of the CP. Yes, profit is given on CP. If CP is increases by 25%, but the SP remains the same, then new profit percentage is how much percent less than original profit percentage? Approximate. ఒక వస్తువును కొంత సొమ్ముకు అమ్మడం ద్వారా దాని కొన్న వెలపై 220% లాభం వస్తుంది. దాని కొన్న వెలపై 220% లాభం వస్తుంది. ఆ వస్తువు కొన్న వెల 25% పెరిగి అమ్మిన వెలను మార్చకుండా ఉండడం వలన వచ్చు లాభ శాతం అసలు లాభ శాతం కంటే ఎంత తక్కువో శాతంలో తెలపండి. most important question. Students, listen carefully. Consider CP and SP. Suppose let CP be 100 rupees as profit is calculated on CP. So there is a profit 220, that is original profit. OP means original profit. Then selling price becomes 320. Yes, but the CP increases by 25%. What is 25% of 100? 25% means for every 100 it increases 25. So it becomes 125. 25% of 100 is 25. 25 plus 100, that is 125. But SP remains the same. SP remains the same. So now what is new profit? New profit is, to make it 100, 125, we have to multiply it by 8. So here also multiply it by 0.8. Then 125 into 0.8, that is 100. 0.8 times of 8 2s are 16. Decimal point 0 cut. 8 2s are 16, 1 carry, 8 3 is 24 plus 1, 25. So new profit is 156. This is new profit. Original profit is 220. New profit is 156. Then original profit to new profit ratio is 220 is to 156. That is, new profit is 64 less than the original profit. That is, new profit is 64 less than the original profit. But we have to tell it in the percentage, so multiply it by 100%. That is less. Negative symbol denotes less. 0 0 to 11s to 5s. That is 5 60s are 300, 5 4s are 20. That is 320 by 11%. 320 by 11%, and answer is must be approximate. So 11 2s are 22. 11 2s are 22. That is 10 is remainder. Again 11 9s are 99. Remainder is 1 by 11%. Okay, so that must be approximately equal to 29%. So new profit is 29% less than the original profit. Next and last question of this class, 44. Very important question. When an article is sold at 7 by 8 of its selling price, there is a loss of 37%. When an article is sold at 7 by 8 of its SP, there is a loss of 37%. What will be the profit percentage when the same article is sold at 19 by 12th of its selling price? Okay. ఒక వస్తువును దాని అసలు ధరలో 7/8వ వంతుకు అమ్మడం ద్వారా 37% నష్టం వస్తుంది. అదే వస్తువును అమ్మిన ధరలో 19/12వ వంతు ధరకు అమ్మితే ఎంత శాతం లాభం వస్తుంది? సొల్యూషన్. CP is always 100%. Now let SP equal LCM of denominators 8 and 12. 8, 12 equal 24 units. Yes. Initially the article is sold at 7 by 8 of its SP. Since SP is 24 units, 7 by 8 times of 24 is 8 3s are, that is 21 units. So when article is sold at 21 units, there is a loss 37%. The same article, when it is sold at 19 by 12th of its selling price, that is selling price is 24 units, then 19 by 12 times of 24 is 12 2s are 24, 38 units. Then what is the profit when the article is sold at 38 units? Consider 3 times of 21, that is 63. Yes, in this case, here also consider same operation, 3 times of 38, that is 114. That is what? 114. Now, what is CP actually? 100%. In the first case, when the article is sold for 63 units, there is a loss of 37 units. Yes, loss is 37, SP is 63, their sum is CP, which is equal to 100. And in the new case, SP is 114. There is a profit of 14 over 100. So profit is 14%. Okay. Okay, students, this completes the part 6 of profit and loss. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching my videos.